Let's go on a field trip with Caitie's classroom. Let's visit a pumpkin patch. Wow! Look at all these pumpkins! Woo! This pumpkin patch is at Sweet Ridge Farms in Markham, Ontario, and today is a very exciting day, because today is the day when we find the great pumpkin to be our Halloween jack-o'-lantern. And there's so many to choose from. There's different kinds and different sizes, but I know the perfect pumpkin for us is out there somewhere. So let the search begin! Let's go! Whoa! Look at all these different kinds of pumpkins. They all grow right here in the same field, and they have some funny names. This one here, the yellow and orange one, is called Fireball. Isn't that fun? This one, it's kind of a bluish green color. It's called a Blue Doll pumpkin. It's very cute. These pumpkins have all these bumps on them. Can you guess what they're called? They're called Goosebump pumpkins. They feel really neat. The white pumpkins are called Blanco, and Blanco means white in Spanish. And they're all white all over. And these ones are a different color, the color yellow. And the bright yellow ones are called Yellow Mellow pumpkins. This small orange pumpkin is a sugar pie pumpkin, and they're really good for making pumpkin pies. They're really sweet. I wonder if any of these would make a good jack-o'-lantern this year. I think I like the orange pumpkins. Let's find a big one of those. Ooh, look at this one. It's still attached to the vine. All the pumpkins in this patch were grown from a seed and planted by hand by the farmer. The farmer planted the seeds once the soil and the weather got nice and warm, because pumpkins really like hot weather. And it takes a couple months for them to grow into a big orange pumpkin like this. And before they're orange, they're green, like this one. It's starting to turn orange. You can see it here. When we carve the pumpkin for our jack-o'-lantern, I'll show you a seed from inside and what it looks like. But it seems like these pumpkins still have some growing to do, so let's keep looking. Look at this pumpkin! It's so big! That has to be the biggest pumpkin in the whole patch. Oh, what about this pumpkin? Do you think this would make a good jack-o'-lantern? This one might be too small for a jack-o'-lantern. Ooh, this one's a cute one. It's long and tall. And this one is round and short. Ooh, look at this one. I think I can even imagine a jack-o'-lantern face right there. What do you think? Do you like this one? I think it might be our jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. Yep, this is it. Let's go get ready to carve. All right, we have a tablecloth and everything we need for carving our pumpkin. Now, carving a pumpkin involves using some sharp things. So it's always important to ask a grown-up for help when you're carving a pumpkin. And the first thing we have to do is scoop out all the insides. Ooh, look at the pumpkin seeds. This is what the seed of a pumpkin looks like. And this pumpkin and all those pumpkins at the pumpkin patch grew from a tiny seed like this. Isn't that amazing? And this pumpkin was full of them. But now, they're all out. It's empty, and it's ready to carve. And I think I know what face I want to make. Maybe you can guess. All right. Are you ready to see our jack-o'-lantern? Do you know what face it is? It's a laughing face. Oh, our jack-o'-lantern needs its lid. There we go. Ooh. This jack-o'-lantern is gonna look so good glowing on Halloween night.